Erdogan has emphasized that one of the main objectives of his government is to make Turkey one of the largest hubs of global trade, industry, and energy. He has underlined that Turkey has increased its capacity, capability, and deterrence after revolutionary developments in the defense industry. Erdogan has explained that Turkey meets more than 70% of its military equipment from national production. Thus, it has increased the level of self-sufficiency in military consumption. Turkey has begun to export its military products to more than 170 countries. Especially, after producing some of the most effective unmanned armed aerial vehicles in the world, Turkey nowadays has been working on producing the combat unmanned aircraft system Bayraktar Kızılelma, which will change the course of future wars. Observers described the Century of Türkiye vision as the future grand design of building a powerful Turkey. The Century of Türkiye has shown that President Erdogan and the ruling AK party continue to introduce new programs and projects in order to build the country's next century. In other words, the Century of Türkiye is the country's New World Order manifesto, describing Turkey's regional leadership and global status. At the same time, it is a call to the global powers not to intervene in the domestic affairs of Turkey. Turkey is ready to deter any external threat with its own capacity and capabilities. Turkey is determined to become stronger and more effective in its region and the world, in a period of realpolitik and global instability. All in all, by unveiling the Century of Türkiye, President Erdogan has sent a strong and clear message to its opponents in domestic politics and the adversaries of Turkey. Great Turkey's new century vision. President Erdogan has sent a strong and clear message to its opponents in internal politics and the country's adversaries by unveiling the Century of Türkiye. As a successful politician introducing new political projects, President Recep Tayyip Erdoğan has set important goals for the Turkish people for 2023, 2053 and 2071. While the first date is the centennial of the Republic, 2053 is the 500th anniversary of the conquest of Istanbul and 2071 is the millennial of the victory of the Turkish state against the Eastern Roman Empire at Malazgirt. President Erdogan, who is also the leader of the ruling Justice and Development Party, AK Party, unveiled a new visionary document entitled the Century of Türkiye last Friday. As one of the key manifestos of the AK Party's election strategy, this document lays down the centennial targets and objectives for the second century of the Turkish Republic, which will celebrate its centennial in 2023. In his speech, President Erdogan explained the main principles of the long-term domestic and foreign policy orientations of Turkey. At the beginning of his speech, Erdogan explained the main challenges directed against Turkey throughout the 20th century and how his government has successfully overcome these internal and external challenges. Then, he underlined the struggle against the most critical of these challenges, namely the struggle against both national and global tutelages. For example, he considered the reverting of Hagia Sophia from a museum back into a mosque as a big challenge against global tutelage. President Erdogan has pointed out that his government has increased the power of our state, the glory of our flag, and the prestige of our nation by providing personality to our foreign policy. Thus, he said, we have become a state that others follow, not a state who follows others. He said that he and his team are determined to make Turkey one of the top 10 leading countries in the world in all spheres of politics, economy, technology, military and diplomacy. However, Erdogan has stressed that he is aware of the difficulty of achieving these objectives. Therefore, he explained that, we are at a very critical point. With the steps we will take from now on, we will either take our place in the global Super League or face the risk of dropping down into a lower league. President Erdogan, which declared that the 100th anniversary of the Republic will be a milestone and the beginning of new politics, has clarified his vision of the world system. Noting that Turkey will change the style, functioning and results of the new policies, he stated that we share with all humanity the message that the Century of Türkiye means a revolutionary change which will bring democracy, development, peace and welfare to every corner of the world. Erdogan, who has declared that the Century of Türkiye is the century of peace, trust and sustainability, asserted that Turkey will strive for peace in the region and the world not only by focusing on national interests but also on international principles and multilateral balances. You can follow the developments in Turkey and the Turkish economy on our channel. We would be happy if you subscribe to our channel and share. We wish you a good day and hope to see you in our next broadcast.